This is the final video to fix the problem of Photoshop showing error 190 saying system requirements not met. If you're trying to install or open Photoshop and this message keeps popping up, do not worry. This video will help you fix it completely. This error usually means that your computer does not meet the minimum system requirements set by Photoshop, or some important components are missing or outdated. It can happen due to an unsupported graphics card, missing DirectX or Visual C++ files, outdated drivers, or a version of Windows that Photoshop no longer supports. In this video, I will show you every possible way to fix this issue. You will learn how to check your PC specs, update your system and drivers, and install the right version of Photoshop for your hardware. I will also show how to adjust compatibility settings and make your system ready to run Photoshop smoothly. Follow each step carefully, and by the end of this video, you'll be able to open and use Photoshop without seeing the error 190 message again. Stay till the end so you do not miss any step that can finally fix your problem.